guys, welcome. And if you're new, a warm welcome. In today's video, we're going to be dealing with kale. We have a bunch of easy kale recipes, healthy recipes to be exact. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make kale tea. Say what? Yes guys, kale tea. At first I was like, kale tea, but after I tried it, trust me, it's really great. Stay tuned because after this video, I'm sure you're going to make this kale tea. Alright guys, so here we have our kale coming straight from the farm. Kale, which some of you might know as leaf cabbage, is a green leafy vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked. Kale is super healthy, which means it is highly nutritious. Kale contains high level of vitamins, mineral, and brain-boosting phytonutrients. It is also great for detoxing. If you'd like to know more shocking health benefit of kale, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when the banger health benefits of kale video is posted. Time to make our kale tea. Alright guys, so we're not going to be using all of this kale to make our kale tea. We're going to need about this much kale to make our kale tea. But if you'd like to use more kale, feel free to do so. Now let's head over to our sink to get our kale washed. The next thing we're going to be doing is adding 2 cups of water over medium heat. Ensure you cover your pot and leave it to boil. Wait. Don't forget to add your kale to your pot before you close. Don't make that silly mistake like I just did. Almost every household in Jamaica has a pot like this. So if you know the name of this pot, leave a comment down below. Or if you're outside of Jamaica and you know the name, leave a comment down below. Now it's time to check on your kale tea. So guys, time to time I like to check on my kale and use a spoon to push the kale down in the water. Now guys, this is optional. So once you add the kale to the water and cover, you can leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes to simmer down here. Hold the kale, simmer down. Never mind me guys, I'm just excited to taste this kale tea. So while we wait on our kale tea, remember to like, comment, share with your family and friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and hit the notification bell.
5 minutes later.
Our kale tea seems ready. Okay, so once the stove is off, we can go ahead and remove that kale leaf. So guys, this kale leaf can be used to make so many healthy snacks. So if you want to know some of these snacks, make sure to subscribe, hit the post notification bell so that you won't miss out on our healthy kale snacks recipe video. Now we're going to be sharing our kale tea. Then you can add any sweetener of your choice. So I choose to use 1 tablespoon sugar. Yes, we're going to mix that in until it is dissolved. there you have our delicious kale tea. Not going to be tried. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and subscribe for more.